This is the question we're going to answer for this video. What are your possible quantum numbers if your m sub L equals -3? First off, this was supposed to be written in the question, m sub L with the little l, or subscript L, equals -3, like this. But when I copied the text, the L got a little bigger. If the m sub L equals -3, this influences the L. Remember, m sub L are talking about the sub or individual orbitals. The first place where the individual orbital can be -3 is in the f orbitals. If we look down to the bottom of this page, we'll see the f orbitals on the bottom of the periodic table. These guys are the f orbitals. You can label their individual orbitals like so: -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. Therefore, the f orbitals have to be the start of the orbitals that can be labeled -3 with m sub L. The designation for the f orbitals, the L, is 3. F orbitals are represented by 3 in quantum numbers. Now, we can have higher orbitals. There are other theoretical orbitals that -3 or the -3 individual orbitals can be in. So that means that our L has to be at least 3. It can be higher than 3, so I'm just going to represent that as ... and then higher. If our L is 3, if we can only deal with f orbitals or higher, that means that our n has to start where our f orbitals start. Again, if we go down to the bottom, these f orbitals, the first one right here, is represented as the 4f orbital. We'll remember that if we do our little energy level table, that as we increase the energy level, as we go down this table, we go from the s orbitals, these are going to be all s orbitals, to the p orbitals, to the d orbitals, to the f orbitals. It's not until the 1, 2, 3, 4th level, 4th energy level, that we get to the f orbitals. That's the minimum amount we need to get to the f orbitals. Therefore, if the minimum energy level is 4, the n has to equal 4 or higher, ... it can be higher. And the easiest quantum number to predict is always the m sub s. The m sub s only has 2 choices, and almost all the time those choices are both possible: -1/2 or +1/2. Therefore, these will be the answers to the question.